This video is sponsored by Diecast Airplane Store. Hello YouTube, welcome back to another review video. Today I would like to review Airborne Express NIHON Aircraft Manufacturing Corporation YS-11A-205F by GEMINI Jets. The mold is nicely done, but it has a minor flaw, which is the area on top of the cockpit windows. It looks like it has a bump. The colors are correct in this model. The print is great, but one flaw that I found around the nose and the anti-glare paint is that there is a small amount of runoff paint on the left side from the black paint. This crater mount is done okay, with a more noticeable seam at the bottom and where it runs through the fuselage. The wings are beautifully done with great detail. One flaw is that the rudder on this plane does not go all the way down, and it's lacking that detail where the rudder splits horizontally. The engines are fantastically done. Both props spin without a problem, and the blades are painted correctly. The struts appear to be metal, and the wheels appear to be rubber, but none of the wheels roll. Also, there are some lumps on the nose wheel. Overall, I recommend you guys this model. I believe it will make a nice addition to your collection. Well, that concludes the review for Airborne Express NIHON Aircraft Manufacturing Corporation YS-11A-205F by GEMINI Jets. If you have this model, let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest reviews. This is Alpha and hope to have you guys back again soon.